morning, everybody. This is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations, and I have my new design team haul for July from Country Craft Creations, and I'm really super excited. I want to share with you what I got. This is going to be a beautiful, beautiful collection that I'm going to get to play with, and I'm super excited. So what I'm going to be using is Photoplay's paper collection called Hello Lovely, and it is absolutely gorgeous. And then while I was picking what I needed for my design team package, I picked some different things to go with it, and I think that it actually is going to the colors are going to be amazing. I'm super excited. So let's go through this real quick. But before I do, let me just remind you that on July 1st and 2nd, the Country Craft Creations design team is going to be doing a 4th of July YouTube hop. And we're going to have some great projects from 9 of our designers, and we're going to, share with you how we make them. So we'll have tutorials on our YouTube. I will be posting a lineup so that you can know what time that every video is going to go live, because we're going to kind of go in order. There's going to be 4 one day and 5 another, if I remember right. And so I'll have a list of all of that. Now these will go live during those times, and then they'll be available all the time after that. So don't worry if you miss it at the time that we publish them, because you can go back and get them. So first off, let's talk about like the extras that I got to go with it. So I did pick the Prima flowers. These are absolutely adorable. I've gotten these a couple times from Country Craft Creations. They're super pretty. I'm trying to, let's see if I can, maybe I don't see, oh, Spring Abstract is what they're called. There it is. Beautiful flower collection. There's 15 of them in here, and I think that those flowers are going to look absolutely perfect with the papers. I love those flowers. They're so pretty. The little centers and everything. These are gorgeous. So I got those to go with the collection. I did pick some buttons because I love my buttons. And so I got these from Country Craft Creations in the pink, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. There's all kinds of different sizes and styles and everything. A really great variety pack. So there's more than plenty to create a project with. So I'm super happy with those. And I think, again, the colors are going to work out perfectly. I wanted some pearls, and they have some Kaiser Craft pearls here that are self-adhesive. So some varying sizes here. So I picked up a package of those. And then I did get this gorgeous, and I'll open this up so you can see this gold polka dotted ribbon. And oh my goodness, I just think that is going to be beautiful and super pretty with this collection. The florals and the golds and everything I think is going to be gorgeous. So I got some of that. And then I also picked up some ivory seam binding and then some twine. So kind of some staples here that I wanted to pick. But again, the colors I think are going to be gorgeous with this. The collection has a pack of ephemera pieces, and I won't dig them all out, but there are a ton of little pieces to add to the collection. So I picked those up. I don't know, I don't really have a project in my mind yet. I think I'm going to do an album of some sort, but I'm not really sure what kind. I've got a couple ideas swimming in my head, so you guys will know as soon as I do, that's for sure. Photoplay has a sticker sheet that I picked up, and again, just gorgeous colors and gorgeous little pieces to add to the collection. And do you not love the record player? I mean, seriously, it's so cute. Little banners here. You got little words, little tennis shoes, just really super cute. And then I love this. So that kind of gave me an idea too. Sunday through Monday stickers. So yeah, we'll see what I'm going to end up making with that. It's going to be really fun. So they have a cut apart sheet. So you have the one 4x6 and the rest are 3x4s. So I love that. And I love that there's journaling spots and spaces for that. I did pick up 3 of these because I want to use one for the cut aparts, and then I want the other 2 for the pattern on the back. So I really liked it. I thought that was a cute pattern, and I wanted to be able to play with that. So I picked that up. And then I got, sorry, I've got a mess in my room, that's for sure. So then every other paper, I got 2 of each. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 papers. So I got 2 of each of 5 and then 3 of the other one. So this one here, that beautiful floral pattern, and then have that beautiful peach background on the back. So that's absolutely adorable. This one is just a happy page. I just think it's adorable. All the little beautiful messages. You are wonderful. Believe in yourself. Love you. All the things. Let your dreams blossom. Just a gorgeous paper. Excellent paper. I don't even know what else to say. I love the background too. I love the backs. They're nice, and they have a design, but they have some plain on them as well. So that'll be a great background too. Because, you know, I just think this is really pretty. It's gorgeous colors. I love the colors. They're pastel, but they're kind of muted pastels. I don't know. I love them. So this one here, banner page, it's called Banner Day. It's really cute. Just love it. And the back of that, isn't that beautiful? That reminds me of, like, I don't know, like a beautiful old-fashioned like wallpaper with a beautiful floral pattern. I just love that. So pretty. So I got that, and then let's see, 2 more here. This beautiful floral pattern that is mostly the pinks. Super gorgeous. Stripes on the back. You have to have some stripes in there too. And then this page here with this beautiful green floral, and if you look, there's little birds in there. Can you see them? Super adorable. The back of that is a polka dotted page, and that is a gorgeous page. So I'm excited to be making some projects with these. Now, also to go with the pages, I did pick up Country Craft Creations Summer Ivory, and let me grab one of these papers because I was thinking this has a yellow tone to it, and I think it's going to absolutely match perfectly with this paper collection. So I picked up a pack of that to use with this design team package, and then I also picked up a couple pieces of heavyweight chipboard so I can use it for an album backing or you know, album cover. And then I got some score tape to use to make the album with. So there are kind of the basics here. And then I have all of my papers. So I mean, seriously, how adorable is this paper collection? It's happy, it's beautiful, it's not too bright. I just love that. And then all of the goodies that I got to go with it. So all of these are available at Country Craft Creations at countrycraftcreations.com. Don't forget that we've got our YouTube hop coming up in just a couple days. And again, the YouTube hop will be available publicly for everybody. So, but if you want to follow along on the 1st of July and the 2nd of July, I'll have a list and the times where everything's going to go live. You guys are going to love the projects. I have seen the sneak peeks. They are amazing. The designers have done a great job coming up with some really cool projects. So for that hop, do raid your stash, get your papers out, and play along, and let's make some fun things. So I will be back soon with some projects, and I will see you again. Have a great day, stay crafty, and we'll chat again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.